Hi guys, it's Brownie from Manhattan, New York. So I am currently relaxing. Um, so pregnancy update. I have been having Braxton contractions. That's the contractions before you give birth. You're supposed to feel these contractions when you're in your late term, like I am. I'm currently 34 weeks and 3 days. So as you're going down closer to labor, you're supposed to feel contractions, which is basically preparing your uterus for you to go into labor. As you guys know, I plan on going into natural labor, so I don't plan on using any type of medicine. After I give birth, they are going to give me IV fluid, and before I give birth, they're going to give me antibiotics just as a safety measurement with my natural birth. But besides that, I'm gonna be having all natural birth. On my face, I have on the rose clay mask. You can buy a rose clay mask anywhere. You can buy it in the powder form and add water, or you can buy it pre-made and then just apply it. You literally need a dime amount for your whole face. I like to cover my face, my ears, and my entire neck, but you can use it as you want to. Some people, in my hair, I have a egg and mayonnaise. So this is a DIY deep conditioning mask. It's egg and mayonnaise. I just leave it on for like 20 to 45 minutes. It all depends. Afterwards, my hair feels so luxurious. Like, guys, no lie. You could also buy this mask if you're scared to use egg and mayonnaise by itself in your house. You can buy it. They have the mayonnaise mask, which has egg in it, and other products like oils and stuff like that. But I don't need any more oil to my hair because it has enough luster, which oil usually adds luster and sheen. So, and plus mayonnaise has oils in it, so I just use one egg and two teaspoons of mayonnaise, and I just spread it throughout my hair and make sure that my hair is covered from root to end. And I do allow it to go on my scalp, so I go from my scalp to the ends of my hair. And yeah, the face mask I leave on for 20 minutes. Um, then I wash that off. But yeah, that's basically my pamper routine, and then I'm just gonna take a shower and wash all of this out and then blow out my hair and straighten it. So I'll show you guys the afterwards probably tomorrow, or I'll film it today. It all depends on how I feel after I'm done. So thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel to stay updated with me and my life. Oh, I just did a DIY teeth whitening. The toothpaste I use is Colgate with peroxide in it, so it's naturally whitening my teeth because it has peroxide in it, and peroxide is a whitener. That's also DIY. If you guys watch my previous videos, you see where I've mixed hydrogen peroxide with a spoonful of baking soda to create a whitening paste. And you can use that as a toothpaste standalone, or you can use it as a whitening paste, which is like an extra whitening, because if you are like me, you use toothpaste that have whitening in it, then you just like extra whitening your teeth. And then it feels like sensitive afterwards, because I don't know, for me, every time I wipe my teeth, it feels more sensitive than it already feels. So I try not to DIY whitening too much, but like right now, they feel like fake. They feel like, I don't know. You guys know when you go to the dentist and you get a professional whitening, that's basically how it feels. Because I also use a professional whitening toothbrush. I use the Colgate spin. The Colgate. I don't know what it's called, but it's like it vibrates and spins at the same time, and it's at a professional speed. So that's why I usually don't do too much whitening at home. But thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel to stay updated on me and my life. Be blessed. I'll do the same again. This is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Mwah.